Hi grades 4, this is Miss David. So today we are going to do another spelling lesson. I would like you to take out your spiral books and have today's date, and let's get started. So today we are going to learn the I sound, but using these three letters. So 3-letter I, okay? As in the word light. Okay, so in this lesson, we will learn to spell the words with the sound I, spelled I-G-H. Okay, now let us look at these three words, and I would like you to say them with me. So the word is tiger, bite, and cry. Okay, what are the words? Tiger, bite, and cry. Why do you think I is long in the word tiger? Our letter I, why is the I long in the word tiger? Because it is at the end of a syllable. Because if you were to divide our word tiger, how many syllables are there? There are 2 syllables. Tiger. So because I is at the end of a syllable, therefore it's making its long sound. Okay? So that is first way to spell the sound of I is to put it in an open syllable. Okay? So that's the first way. We put it in an open syllable and it's going to make its long sound. Now let's look at the word bite. Bite. Why do you think I is long in the word bite? It has something to do with, that's right, our silent E. Okay? So remember, whenever there's a silent E, it makes the vowel say its long sound, right? So it makes the vowel say its sound. So the second way to spell the sound of I is to add silent E. So when we add silent E, it's going to say, the vowel is going to say its long sound. Okay? Then let us look at the word cry. Now why is I sound long in the word cry? Well, if you remember, it's a Y, it's not, but it's making the I sound, right? So why do you think we have Y at the end and not an I? In English, words don't end in I, so we use Y. Okay? So the third way to spell the sound of I is to use a Y. Okay? So there are 3 ways to spell the I sound. First is put it in an open syllable. Second is to add a silent E to the end of the word, and it's going to make it longer. And third is to put a Y, okay? To use a Y instead of an I. So because our English words do not end in I, okay? So today we are going to look at another phonogram that makes the sound of I, but we use, instead of using I, letter I or Y, we are going to spell our words using 3 letters I-G-H to spell the I sound, or to make the I sound. Okay, so let us look at the word light. L-I-G-H-T. Here's my phonogram. I-G-H, I've underlined it for you. So in the word light, what does this word say? Light, that's right. Now, if I were to take away L and I were to add R to it, it would become right. Okay? So I changed my L to R and it became right. Then let us look at the word tonight. To spell the word tonight, we need to pronounce for spelling, okay? When we speak, we normally say tonight. But when we pronounce the word for spelling, we need to pronounce the oo sound clearly, okay? So our double O as if, so this sound clearly what we learned last time, okay? As in the word school, book, door. So our O sound, our O sound has to be very clear so that we can actually know that there is a O in there, okay? So I am going to see if we can, what we just learned, so it's spelling the sound I using IGH. I'm going to say a couple of words and I want you to write those down, okay? And then we're going to see if you got those right. So the first word you have is night. Night. The second word is high. High. Remember, we are using IGH to create our I sound. High. Next one is sight. Sight. As in eyesight, okay? Eyesight. So sight. Next one is might. Last one is fight. Fight. Okay, so those were your words. That's not the list. That was just a practice round, okay? Now, before we move to our spelling list for this week, I am going to tell you why do we have the word they and house written over here, because these are also on your spelling list for this week. So let's look at the word they. The reason we have this word here is because EY, so in the word they, what sound is EY making? It's making the A sound, that's right. It's making the A sound. Now let us look at the word house. Okay, what do you think OU, what sound is OU making in the word house? It's making the ow sound, right? We say house. And the silent E in the word house, okay? So the silent E in the word house, I want you to tell me, so write the word house in your silent E books, and then I want to see which page, first of all, which page you think it should end up on the word house. So grab your silent E books, and I want you to write the word house, and I want you to identify where would this word go. Is it going to be on page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, or page 5? It is going to be on page 5, okay? So that's where you're going to add your word house in your silent ebooks. And on that note, grades 4, I am going to give you your spelling list for the week. So remember to copy these words twice the next day. So your first word for this week is night. Night. It rained all night. Your next word is right. Use your right hand. Right. Your next word is high. The mountain is very high. Your next word is might. I might go with you. I might go with you. So the word is might. Next is light. Light. Our next word is tonight. Tonight. Sight. A soaring eagle is a beautiful sight. Fight. Fight. Our number 9 is they. They. Last one, house. House. Okay, so grades 4, get ready for your your sentences. I'm going to dictate those to you, and you are going to copy those down, and then you can check them. You can check the spelling of your sentences. Okay. So the first sentence, we're going to do 12 sentences. Okay, so grab your spiral books or right underneath your spelling list. You can write these sentences down, okay? It's up to you whether you want to do them half now and half the next day when you do your spelling list times 2. You can either do all of them now, it's your choice, okay? And you can check the spelling of your sentences from the sheets that I've sent home. So you can hear me say the sentences from this video, and then you can go take out the sheet from the package and check if you got all of your sentences right, okay? So here we go. Your first sentence is, remember your end marks too. Your first sentence is, it was cold and windy last night. It was cold and windy last night. Next one. Are you standing on your right foot? Are you standing on your right foot? Third one. The cake is too high to reach. The cake is too high to reach. Next one, number 4. You might like my garden. You might like my garden. Next one. There is a moth near the light. There is a moth near the light. Next one. The spy will meet you tonight. The spy will meet you tonight. Next one. The old dog lost his sight. The old dog lost his sight. Next one. That fox had a fight with the hen. That fox had a fight with the hen. Next one. Please put this in the house. Please put this in the house. Next one. They will fly south this winter. They will fly south this winter. Next one. Tonight there is a thick fog. Tonight there is a thick fog. Last one. Do you think they were right? Do you think they were right? Last time. Do you think they were right? Okay, on that note, I'm going to end our spelling lesson, and I will see you next time in a different lesson. I wish you all the very best. Bye.